That is dog pee that I just put my hands in. Cute. So yes, I had a spot of dog pee here in my front yard. Not from my dogs. My dogs don't come out front. Somebody walking their dog allowed their dog to pee on my lawn, and yes, it did burn it out. A lot of people are going to have this naturally from their own dog, which happens over time. And I'm going to inevitably get the question, how do I solve dog pee? It's very simple. You just need to flush it. That, in essence, is urea. And the way to solve it? Baby shampoo. Yeah, baby shampoo. Super simple, super easy to fix, and super cheap.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic.
Once you flush this out right here with baby shampoo, now you're ready to go on to the next step, the fix.